Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. Joshua 1 chapter 15 verses 1 to 63:1. The lot for the tribe of the children of Judah according to their families was to the border of Edom, even to the wilderness of Zin southward, at the uttermost part of the south. 2. Their south border was from the uttermost part of the Salt Sea, from the bay that looks southward. 3. And it went out southward of the ascent of Akrabim, and passed along to Zin, and went up by the south of Kadesh Barnea, and passed along by Hezron, went up to Adar, and turned toward Karka. 4. And it passed along to Asmon, went out at the brook of Egypt, and the border ended at the sea. This shall be your south border. 5. The east border was the Salt Sea, even to the end of the Jordan. The border of the north quarter was from the bay of the sea at the end of the Jordan. 6. The border went up to Beth Hoglah, and passed along by the north of Beth Arabah. And the border went up to the stone of Bohan, the son of Reuben. 7. The border went up to Debir from the valley of Acre, and so northward, looking toward Gilgal, that faces the ascent of Adamim, which is on the south side of the river. The border passed along to the waters of En-Shemesh, and ended at En-Rogel. 8. The border went up by the valley of the son of Hinnom, to the side of the Jebusite, also called Jerusalem southward. And the border went up to the top of the mountain that lies before the valley of Hinnom westward, which is at the farthest part of the valley of Rephaim northward. 9. The border extended from the top of the mountain to the spring of the waters of Nephtoah, and went out to the cities of Mount Ephron. And the border extended to Bala, also called Kiriath Jearim. 10. And the border turned about from Bala westward to Mount Seir, and passed along to the side of Mount Jearim, also called Chesalon on the north, and went down to Beth Shemesh, and passed along by Timnah. 11. And the border went out to the side of Ekron northward, and the border extended to Shikkeron, and passed along to Mount Bala, and went out at Jabneel. And the goings out of the border are at the sea. 12. The west border was to the shore of the great sea. This is the border of the children of Judah, according to their families. 13. He gave to Caleb the son of Jephunneh a portion among the children of Judah, according to the commandment of the Lord to Joshua, even Kiriath Arba, named after the father of Anak, also called Hebron. 14. Caleb drove out the 3 sons of Anak, Shishai, and Ahiman, and Talmai, the children of Anak. 15. He went up against the inhabitants of Debir. Now the name of Debir before was Kiriath Sepher. 16. Caleb said, He who strikes Kiriath Sepher and takes it, to him I will give Achsah my daughter as wife. 17. Othniel the son of Kenaz, the brother of Caleb, took it, and he gave him Achsah his daughter as wife. 18. When she came, she had him ask her father for a field. She got off her donkey, and Caleb said, What do you want? 19. She said, Give me a blessing. Because you have set me in the land of the south, give me also springs of water. So he gave her the upper springs and the lower springs. 20. This is the inheritance of the tribe of the children of Judah, according to their families. 21. The farthest cities of the tribe of the children of Judah toward the border of Edom in the south were Kabzeel, Eder, Jagar. 22. Kaina, Dimana, Adada. 23. Kedesh, Hazor, Ithnan. 24. Ziph, Telem, Beloth. 25. Hazor Haratah, Kerioth Hezron, also called Hazor. 6. Ammon, Shema, Malada. 27. Hazar Gada, Heshmon, Beth Pelet. 28. Hazar Shul, Beersheba, Beziathia. 29. Bala, Im, Azem. 30. Eltalad, Chezel, Hormah. 31. Ziklag, Madmana, Sansana. 32. Lebauth, Shilhim, Ain, and Rimmon. All the cities are 29, with their villages. 33. In the lowland, Eshtal, Zorah, Ashna. 34 Zanoah, En-Ganim, Tapua, Enaim, 35 Jarmuth, Adullam, Sako, Azekah, 36 Sharim, Adatam, and Gedera, or Gederotam, 14 cities with their villages. 37 Zenan, Hadashah, Migdal Gad, 38 Delim, Mizpah, Joktheel, 39 Lachish, Boskath, Eglon, 40 Caban, Lamam, Chitlish, 41 Gederoth, Beth Dagon, Naamah, and Makkedah, 16 cities with their villages. 42 Livnah, Ether, Ashan, 43 Ifta, Ashna, Nezib, 44 Keilah, Aksib, and Maresha, 9 cities with their villages. 45 Ekron, with its towns and its villages. 46 from Ekron, even to the sea, all that were by the side of Ashdod, with their villages. 47 Ashdod, its towns and its villages. Gaza, its towns and its villages. To the brook of Egypt and the great sea with its coastline. 48. In the hill country, Shamir, Jadir, Sako, 49 Dana, Kiriath Sena, which is Debir, Dianab, Eshtemo, Anim, 51 Goshen, Holon, and Gilo, 11 cities with their villages. 52 Arab, Duma, Eshan, 53 Janim, Beth Tappuah, Afika, 54 Humta, Kiriath Arba, also called Hebron, and Zior, 9 cities with their villages. 55 Maon, Carmel, Ziph, Judah, 56 Jezreel, Jokdeam, Zanoah, 57 Cain, Sheba, and Timnah, 10 cities with their villages. 58 Halhol, Bethzer, Gedor, 59 Merith, Bethanath, and Eltikon, 6 cities with their villages. 60 Kiriath Baal, also called Kiriath Jearim, and Rabbah, 2 cities with their villages. 61 in the wilderness, Beth Arabah, Medin, Sekeka, 62 Nibshan, the city of Salt, and En-Gedi, 6 cities with their villages. 63. As for the Jebusites, the inhabitants of Jerusalem, the children of Judah couldn't drive them out. But the Jebusites live with the children of Judah at Jerusalem to this day. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about Joshua 1 chapter 15 verses 1 to 63. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.